Welcome to another deep dive. Today, we're taking a look at the often ignored hardware that keeps our modern spaces running.
Yeah, the invisible stuff.
Exactly. We've got a highly detailed spec sheet today from AV distributor HDTV Supply. It's for a very specific piece of heavy-duty tech, the Intelix INT-USB3-HWP extender host wall plate.
I know, it's quite a mouthful.
It really is. But our mission for this deep dive is to decode this technical spec sheet and, discover the invisible infrastructure that allows massive amounts of data to travel across huge commercial spaces without skipping a beat.
Because it's the kind of tech you interact with constantly without ever seeing it.
Okay, let's unpack this. For anyone who has managed an AV setup, you already know standard USB cables, they just lose signal over short distances.
Right, they cap out at just a few meters before the signal completely degrades.
Yeah, but this Intelix wall plate's main superpower is that it extends a USB 3.2 Gen 1 signal an incredible 100 meters.
Which is roughly 328 feet.
Just using a single Cat6a cable.
What's fascinating here is the specific architecture making that possible, because it relies on Gbps VS6320 technology.
The VS6320 chip, yeah.
Right, and that chip basically acts as a traffic controller to maintain perfect signal integrity across a space as long as a football field. You aren't just amplifying a weak signal.
And hoping for the best.
Exactly, it's actively maintaining it.
Here's where it gets really interesting, though. Pushing data that far is one thing, but the speed here is a blazing 5 gigabits per second. Plus, the inclusion of bidirectional 24V PC.
Power over cable. I mean, for any installers listening, you already know why that is an absolute game changer.
Because you don't need extra outlets.
You're sending power and data over the exact same cable. It completely eliminates the need for extra wall outlets where your remote cameras or screens are mounted.
Which saves a fortune on electrical contracting costs.
It does. Plus, it's seamless plug-and-play operation. No messy drivers to troubleshoot. It's backwards compatible with USB 2.0 and 1.1. And it's TAA compliant with a 2-year warranty. So we are talking about serious, government-approved hardware.
So what does this all mean for you, the listener, bringing all this tech jargon back down to earth?
Well, if we connect this to the bigger picture, this is the hidden tech powering complex environments like high-end conference rooms and sports bars.
Massive spaces.
Right. It seamlessly connects webcams, PTZ cameras.
Those are the pan-tilt-zoom ones?
Yeah, pan-tilt-zoom, touch panel displays, and USB microphones across massive buildings. You walk into a meeting, the video is crisp, the audio is synced, and there isn't a single tangled extension cord.
It's a great reminder to appreciate that hidden infrastructure. It powers the polished, lag-free audio-visual experiences you interact with daily. You just expect it to work.
You do. And honestly, this raises an important question.
Oh.
As single cables become capable of transmitting massive 5 gigabit data and power simultaneously over 300 plus feet,
Yeah.
will our physical buildings eventually just become giant interconnected nervous systems where every wall plate is a universal digital hub?
Now there's a thought to leave you with. Thanks for diving deep with us today.